Hi everyone, my name is Boris, you're in my channel as usual, and it's my everyday's video in English, my practice in English. I try to improve my English skills, and um, today, as you remembered, I tried yesterday to create some special tools for my motorcycle, and today I was continued and I created this tool for pull up for lifting my motorcycle up, and it's working. I'm really glad, but I have some moments because it's handmade work, and I need help to do this with my special tools. But it's okay. But it's a little option for me, and I have to call my friend when I want to do something with motorcycle, and when I want to use these special tools. uh, I have to call my friend to help me with that. But mm, for our side, it was cheap. It takes not a lot time, and it was 2 evenings in my garage with my welding machine, and it's working, and I'm glad. But I have to fix some moments with it, but it's okay. It doesn't matter for usability. And tomorrow I want to get my new tires. I wait tires maybe tomorrow, and I have to change my tires, and it will be a little big deal for me because I have to change several moments with it. Not only tires. With tires, I have to change my brake pads, and I have to see my bearings on the wheels. I have to see condition these details, and it takes a long time, maybe several hours, and maybe more. I'm not sure. Because when you try to do something with your garage, and something went wrong always. But as I saw, I'm glad, because I'm done this goal, and it's working. And I wait my new details, tires, brake pads, and I have to change my mirrors, because when I tried to use my tool yesterday, I broke one mirror. But it's okay, because it's not original mirrors, and it's some cheap plastic mirrors, and it doesn't matter. And I want to change it for something new, something good product. And I want to looking for something new, and it's like a new tool, no, new toy for you, and for me it's also, I'm excited, I'm looking for something, tips, tricks, something new, details for that, and it's a fun, and it's a fun. uh, and I waiting for tomorrow, and maybe tomorrow I will change my tires. we will see. Thank you for watching today and see you tomorrow. Bye.